Hi guys, Chet here, and today we're going to review GoHighLevel. Now, GoHighLevel is an all-in-one platform for digital marketing and customer relationship management. In this review, we'll break down exactly what GoHighLevel is, who uses it, and whether it's the right tool for you. We'll also take a closer look at its features such as CRM, automation, reporting, and customer communication. But before we dive into the details, I have something special just for you. Normally, if you go through GoHighLevel's website, you will get a 14-day free trial. That's standard. However, with my link, you'll receive a 30-day free trial, and as a big thank you, I'm also giving you access to my full course, GoHighLevel Jumpstart. This course will walk you through setting up and launching your business within those first 30 days so that you can start making money right away. Now, GoHighLevel offers many features, and it's real easy to get lost. That's why my course focuses on what truly matters. And to make things even better, you'll also get my top-notch, high-quality templates all for free. These templates include the Business Hub for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances. They're valued at $900 plus, but you'll get it all for free as a thank you for using my affiliate link down there in the description. Just click the link below to find all the details about these offers and how to claim them. It's my way of saying thank you for supporting this channel. Now, let's get back to the video. GoHighLevel, or GHL, is a versatile platform that serves two main purposes. First, it acts as a white label solution for digital agencies. This means that agencies can rebrand and resell it under their own name. Second, GHL functions as a CRM, which stands for Customer Relationship Management System. It will help businesses manage their customer interactions and data more efficiently. As an agency using GoHighLevel, you'll likely focus on managing sub-accounts under your brand. This setup allows you to provide a fully customized experience for your clients while keeping control over the services they receive. If you're using GoHighLevel mainly for its CRM features, it becomes a powerful tool to help you run your own business. The flexibility to use it in these different ways is a big reason why GoHighLevel has become so popular. GoHighLevel is mainly used by digital marketing agencies, but it's also becoming very popular with small businesses and entrepreneurs looking for a strong CRM system. Agencies love it because it offers a white label solution that can be customized for their clients. This allows them to provide a branded platform, adding value to their services and creating a new way to earn money. Small businesses and entrepreneurs alike also enjoy GoHighLevel because it combines many tools into one platform. It includes CRM, marketing automation, reporting, and more. This all-in-one approach makes it easier to manage operations and reduces the need for multiple software subscriptions. GoHighLevel is filled with features that really are great for both agencies and businesses. It provides tools for marketing automation, customer relationship management or CRM, communication with customers, and detailed reporting. These tools are essential for running a successful business. With GoHighLevel, you can easily manage customer data, automate repetitive tasks, and track how well your marketing campaigns are performing. The platform is designed to be user-friendly so that even if you're not very tech-savvy, you can still use it without any issues. Additionally, GoHighLevel is flexible. You can customize it to fit your specific needs, whether you're using it for your agency or your own business. Before we explore GoHighLevel's CRM features, let's quickly explain what a CRM is. Now, once again, CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. It's a strategy that businesses use to manage their interactions with current and potential customers. A CRM system helps organize customer information, track communications, and simplify processes. This all leads to better relationships with customers and, in the end, more sales. In short, a CRM is essential for any business that wants to stay organized and efficient when it comes to dealing with customers. It keeps all customer data in one place, making it easier to give each customer a very personalized experience. Now that we know what a CRM is, let's look at how GoHighLevel uses it. GoHighLevel's CRM system acts as a central place for all of your customer information. It gathers data from different sources such as emails, phone calls, and social media interactions and keeps it all in one spot. This helps you easily track customer interactions and follow up with leads. Automation is a big reason why many businesses and agencies choose GoHighLevel. This platform helps you create automated workflows for tasks like sending follow-up emails or scheduling social media posts. With this, you can focus on other parts of your business while GoHighLevel handles all of the repetitive work. For instance, let's say that you want to send a special offer to customers on their birthdays. With GoHighLevel, you can set up a workflow that automatically sends a personalized email or text on their special day. This not only saves you time, but also helps you connect better with your customers by showing them that you care. The automation features of GoHighLevel are also impressive. You can customize the workflows to suit your needs. Whether you're nurturing leads, following up with customers, or managing a marketing campaign, automation can make your life so much easier. One of the great features of GoHighLevel is its reporting tools. The platform offers detailed reports that help you keep track of how your marketing campaigns are doing, how customers are interacting, and the overall health of your business. You can customize these reports to highlight the data that matters most to you. This could include the number of leads that you've generated, the conversion rate of your sales funnel, or the return on investment, or ROI, for a specific campaign. For example, if you're running ads on Google or Facebook, GoHighLevel's reporting feature can show you exactly how those ads are performing. You'll be able to see important metrics like click-through rates, cost per click, and revenue from each campaign. This information is super helpful for making smart choices about where to spend your marketing budget and how to improve your campaigns for better results. The reporting tools in GoHighLevel are also designed to be user-friendly. Even if you're not a data expert, you can still easily gain the insights that you need to make your business better. Good communication is essential for any business, and GoHighLevel makes it very simple to stay in touch with your customers. The platform works well with various communication tools, including email, SMS, and popular apps like Zapier and Twilio. This means that you can handle all of your customer communications from one place, whether you're sending out a marketing campaign or replying to customer questions. One great feature of GoHighLevel's communication tools is the ability to send personalized messages. For instance, you can create targeted email campaigns that are designed for specific groups of your audience. This will help you build stronger relationships with your customers by offering content that matches their interest and needs. Moreover, GoHighLevel will allow you to automate responses. This means that you can quickly handle customer inquiries without having to respond to each one manually. This not only saves you valuable time, but also makes sure that your customers receive quick and consistent communication. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you liked the review. Now remember, if you're ready to give GoHighLevel a try, don't miss out on that 30-day free trial by using my link down there in the description. Plus, you'll also get my full GoHighLevel Jumpstart course and $900+ worth of high-quality templates all for free. It's all there to help you take your business to the next level with GoHighLevel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews and tutorials.